to familiarize ourselves with what's going on in Nandi County. But the way Governor has put it clearly is that we see enormous potential in the area of mining. And we're trying to find out why is it that for the longest time nobody can actually give us a success story or a good story in regards to mining, particularly in this area. That's why we're here today, to see and listen to everybody, stakeholders, from my brothers in the field of artisanal mining, those big investors, the communities, the county government. We believe strongly that county government has a critical role. And I was telling the governor in his office that once we agree on a structured way of engagement, there's a lot more we could do together. The county government here should be able, first of all, to help us in dealing with illegal mining. Governor, I don't know whether you're aware, but I've come to learn when I got into the office that there are many illegal miners in our country. They collect particularly gold and take it to some other country, neighboring country, process it, and unfortunately pay royalties there. So what's meant for you is paid elsewhere, because they would need some documentation of some sort to be able now to export into the international market. I'm sure my brothers in the industry understand what I'm talking about. So we have to stop that. That has to end. So we ensure whatever God-given minerals of value in our country do benefit our people. And where even the government is today, if we really want this government to stabilize and progress and, you know, relieve the burden of taxation on the people, is we have to find other means. And that is why I want to tell you, the people of Nandi, we have no time to waste. There's really no time. Lazima tukimbie ground. Tutafute alternative means of raising revenue so the country can progress. Now, vijana wapate ajira. That employment is very critical. A lot of our young people must get jobs. And they want the jobs today. Sio kesho.